Hello, everyone. Nature is one of the most powerful forces on Earth, unpredictable and unstoppable. Today, you'll witness jaw-dropping moments when Mother Nature unleashed her fury through hurricanes, floods, avalanches, and more. Let's dive in.
I'm trying!
Dad, drop your phone. It's not worth it at this point. It's not worth it. Dad, drop your phone. Stop.
In Iowa, residents were stunned when they set out to film some massive clouds. But what they captured turned into a surreal spectacle, nature putting on an unforgettable show. Imagine standing in a peaceful, dry area, only for it to be drowned in a massive flood within 2 minutes. Luckily, there were no casualties, but those who experienced it will never forget nature's sudden rage.
Don't move.
Caught at the wrong place at the wrong time, this driver faced nature's wrath. A sudden disaster left his car scratched, but he was lucky to escape with his life. Heavy rains triggered a terrifying landslide in India. Motorists at a safe distance still couldn't believe their eyes as a chunk of the mountain simply vanished, collapsing into a cliff below. Home to one of the world's most active volcanoes, brave visitors witnessed lava flowing, an extraordinary sight you won't find anywhere else.
Really? Achtung, Lawine! Lawine!
Captured from a skier's perspective, a small avalanche transforms into an apocalyptic scene. It's more than just bad weather. It's a life or death race with nature itself. A calm river can become a raging monster in an instant. In 2023, a city in India experienced this firsthand. Overflowing waters tore through riverbanks, sweeping away houses as horrified residents watched helplessly. In Taiwan, where earthquakes are frequent, it's a nerve-wracking experience for everyone, especially for unsuspecting cats. "5 minutes, that's all it took for a brutal hailstorm to wreak havoc, smashing cars and homes. Nature doesn't need much time to leave its mark. Yet again, India found itself at the mercy of torrential rains in 2023. Rivers overflowed, cities drowned, and destruction was everywhere, and nothing was safe, not homes, roads, or even vehicles. Driving through mountains can be a dream or a nightmare. A dash cam captured the moment an avalanche exploded in the distance, sending a massive cloud rolling down. Thankfully, drivers were able to stop just in time. What do 120 km/h winds look like? Imagine entire forests of century-old trees flattened in minutes. That's the power of nature, leaving people without power for days. And
We got a wooden fence there, blew the fence out. Right down next to our neighbor.
a cubic meter of rock crashed down in this jaw-dropping landslide. Recorded in Switzerland, this scene serves as another chilling reminder of nature's destructive power. When severe flooding began eroding the riverbank, residents had no choice but to evacuate. They could only watch as their home was swallowed by the rushing waters. Cyclones don't just bring strong winds, they can affect pressure, causing health issues. This is why it's best to stay inside when a cyclone strikes. Safety should always come first.
Flood's coming here, about ready to hit the Appleball Bridge.
In Colorado, melting ice dams unleashed torrents of water. These powerful flows carried debris and icebergs, creating a chaotic, breathtaking display.
Down valley near Placerville, Appleball Bridge.
All right, this is looking eastward. We're at Val Vista.
For residents of Arizona, dust storms are normal, but this one was special. It formed when three air currents collided, creating a swirling, awe-inspiring storm that covered everything in its path.
That's the edge of it, looking to the southwest.
The odds of lightning striking a boat are about 1 in 1,000, but when it happens, it's unforgettable. Even though the electrical damage might be minimal, the stress for passengers is immeasurable.
I've heard about this stuff.
At this stadium, too much power consumption seemed to annoy Mother Nature. With a sudden gust, the lights went out, sending a powerful message to conserve energy. Mountains in Alaska hold hidden dangers. When an avalanche strikes without warning, the key to survival is quick thinking, something these climbers demonstrated perfectly. And the sea swell is a fascinating phenomenon. In Acapulco, towering waves rolled in, creating mesmerizing scenes that locals and tourists couldn't look away from. A terrifying lightning strike hit a boat during a storm, causing panic among passengers. While the damage wasn't severe, the tension was sky high.